First of all, name of Allah. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about the background clip property. In what section we will use heading level 1, heading, the background hyphen clip property, close the tag. Underneath heading level 1, we will use open p element and close the p element. In between p elements, we will use dummy text just for running. Copy, paste into paragraph. Underneath p element, we will use div element, open div element and close the div element. In between div elements, we will use heading level 2, open heading level 2 and close the heading level 2. Dummy text used just for learning, paste into heading level 2. Underneath heading level 2, we will use p element, open p element and close the p element. In between p elements, we will use dummy text just for learning. Copy, paste into paragraph. Copy and paste 2 times more. Control V use, and underneath div 3 we will use Control V. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. In head section, we will use internal CSS, open style tag and close the style tag. In between style tag, we will use period vector represent to class attribute ex1, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces, we will use CSS property and property value border colon mpx solid green semicolon, and this period vector and ex1 use in div1. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use ex1 selector. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use underneath border background color orange semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use padding column 35 px semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. We use the padding 35. Browser automatically calculate from top, left, right and bottom 35 px. Now we will use dotted instead solid green, and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. As it is, we will use another CSS apply on second div. So we will use copy and paste underneath x2, Control V use and change its selector into, and use the border background clip column padding box use padding hyphen box and semicolon. The background is painted to the outside edge of the border. Save the file and go to the browser. This ex2 and period vector use in div2. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use ex2. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can see, we use the padding and the background is painted to the outside edge. Now we will apply CSS on 3D. Open Notepad++ in head section. Copy second property value and paste underneath x2 and change its selector in 3 and background clip change in content box and save the file. This period factor and ex3 use in div 3. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In between double quotes we will use ex3 and go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can see, the background painted to the within the content box, and now we will change its color. Border dotted in green and in first also green, and save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page.